So I have a total of 5 twists in the back. I have 3 on the top and 2 on the bottom. I'm going to show you guys what I do on this front section. I start by spraying my hair with the Lotta body mixture. And I'm going to have 3 twists in the front on each side. So I'm going to start by doing this 1 twist on the bottom, and there will be 2 on top. So I take a section and I just do a 2-strand twist. And as I'm twisting down, I do like to take my fine-tooth comb and detangle just to make sure that the hair is smooth as I'm twisting. So I want my twist knot to fall right about here around my shoulders. So I'm going to leave some hair out right here, adding more leave-in conditioner to the end. And then I'm going to place a gray perm rod behind the hair and wrap the hair around. Now I'm going to repeat this process on the rest of my hair. The next morning, my hair was still a little bit damp, so I did sit under my bonnet dryer for 30 minutes.